Hello everyone and welcome to the walk around of this stunning 2021 Peugeot 2008. It's a 1.2 PureTech SUV. It's finished in this lovely vibrant orange fusion. Really makes the car stand out on the road. This is a stylish and practical SUV with just 24,800 miles on the clock. It's had two previous owners and is powered by a punchy yet economical 1.2 litre petrol engine. That's paired with a smooth automatic gearbox. So it's basically making it ideal for those both city driving and those long motorway journeys. Left that open. There you go. So that just pushes in and out. You've got modern styling all around, including obviously Peugeot's signature LED lighting, bold grille, and the sculptured lines, which I don't know, you can probably just see on the video. The sculptured lines there. Maybe it's better that way. There's Peugeot's signature lighting at the front with that lovely big grille. Really gives it that premium sporty look. This is the GT version. So you do obviously get the GT trim all around the car. There we go. Got lovely alloys with this as well. There we go. So show up the driver's door. Plenty of room, plenty of anchorage on the door to get in. Electric windows all around. You can control it by the driver's door as well, with the child locks on there as well. Inside you'll find that contemporary cabin layout, featuring Peugeot's new digital eye cockpit and their touchscreen infotainment system. It's really quality finish throughout this. It's spacious, comfortable and packed with so much tech. Really makes your driving experience enjoyable and easy. Let's get in the car. There we go. So obviously, I know the wheel's in the way some place, but that is their eye cockpit. The camera will focus. Obviously you can change all of this as well. This is all fully customizable to how you want it. Whether you want all the driving stuff on there, your maps. Obviously this is their new touchscreen infotainment system there as well. So you can obviously control it here. So you can put your music on. Oh, sorry, the music is already on, it's already on the radio. You put your aircon settings there as well. Navigation. This is your car settings, so you can play about with the car. So you can turn your stop start off, your parking sensors and your keyless entry you can turn off through those settings. Obviously you've got your mobile settings there. Obviously once you've connected your phone via Bluetooth, and then this gives you the apps as well you can use. So if you've got an iPhone or an Android, you've got your Apple CarPlay or your Android Auto there as well. Obviously the car does come with a Peugeot app. So you download the Peugeot app and it syncs up with your car, so you can view all your settings on the app as well, and obviously on your fuel and all that sorts on your app. You should just go through your connected apps on there. And then obviously you've got more car settings here which you can play around. You can create profiles, so depending on who's in the car has different settings on. It is a really modern driving experience in here. It's got two heated seats at the front as well. Plenty of storage everywhere you look. It's a wireless charging pad as well, so you put your phone in there, it'll charge your phone as well. Down here we've got our two keys. Nice Peugeot keys these ones, excuse the yellow tag. Nice Peugeot keys on here. And we've got some more storage down here with a 12-volt charger there as well. Peugeot's new kind of gear stick here. It's an automatic gearbox. You've got basically what you do is you hold it like that, press it down, and you put it in reverse. Fortunately it's bleeping at me because obviously I've got the parking brake off, but there we go. Put it into drive, on neutral and park. As I said, the reason it was bleeping is because the parking brake's off, so it was warning me that the car can roll. It's really easy. It's just an automatic handbrake on and off. When you stop, and to put it on you just flick it up and that turns on just like that. You've got your drive mode buttons down here, so you can obviously change the drive modes of the car. You've got eco, normal and sport. I must say, obviously I drove it by myself and it does half shift in sports mode. 100% enjoyable drive. It's got two cup holders here and plenty of storage in here in your armrest as well. Just give you another pan round on the inside. Got this really nice white stitching on the seats. Don't know if it's showing up nicely on the videos. But again, with it being the GT version, it just gives that extra premium, feel. And unusually, the front seats are Isofix as well. So the front seats do have Isofix on. So if you had an Isofix child seat, that can go in the front seat as well. There we go. Here's the back seats as well. You've got your 2 charging ports down there. Plenty of netting and storage on the back of the seats, and storage in the doors as well. These are obviously electric windows. You can turn them on and off with the child lock at the front. You've got your Isofix seats in the back as well. This is the 60/40 split on this one. There we go. Let's open the boot. Really nice spacious boot on these. Again, there's your anchor points, obviously, for your chairs if you need them. Got some nice storage side down there, a bit deeper, so you can put some stuff in the sides there. And obviously underneath here as well, this does lift up and click in place. You've got a bit of extra storage in there. This does come out, so if you wanted a lower boot, you've got that option as well. So if you did have push chairs or prams, that you can take this out and you've got that lower boot to put them in. And of course, you've got some just your usual bits and bobs, your lock and wheel nut and bits and bobs in there, your wheel care kits. There we go. And yeah, let's just go around the car again. Obviously that's your back seats from the passenger side. Doors there. Really nice yellow stitching on the doors. Again, there's that GT badge in there. There we go. Apologies. There we go. Really nice. Love to turn the passenger airbag on and off with the side there. So if you was having a child seat in the front, you've got that manual override there. And a nice Peugeot trims on the sides as well. So yeah, here she is. Give you another kind of zoom out video. There we go. So this is the 2021 Peugeot. It's a 2008 GT model. It's a 1.2 PureTech SUV. Obviously the car comes with proof of 1 previous service at 12,000 miles. Obviously they do recommend servicing every 2 years, so that is its full service history because it is a 21 plate. And obviously we will also be carrying out a fresh 12-month service before it goes at the point of sale as well. So the car will come with a new service. MOT runs out in February 2026 with no advisories, so we've got plenty of lead time left on that. So apart from the service, it's practically ready to drive away. And of course, to top it off, this Peugeot also comes with a 12-month Go warranty included in the price, basically covering major mechanical and electrical components for extra reassurance. If you're after a low mileage, great looking SUV that's practical, reliable and full of modern features, this is the one for you. Get in touch with Benmarks now to arrange a test drive. Thanks for watching.